Hey, virtual friends. Okay, so I am going to talk to two groups of you today. I'm going to talk to the virtual students that are working on the project individually, and I'm going to talk to the virtual students that are working on this project with an actual partner. Okay, so today you should be finishing up your research. You should need to take about 10 to 15 minutes to finish up the research that you have done so far. Virtual students that are working independently, that means not with any partners. You only have to do the top half of your planning document. So the things that I have squared off, those are the things that need to be done by you on the planning document. So direct quotes, inspired by others, passionate about, talent and intelligence, effort, empathy, and challenges. Okay, the things below my box, you do not have to do those parts because on the actual poster, you will not need to do those parts. That's only if you're working by yourself. If you are working with a partner, virtual students, you are responsible for everything on this document. Okay, so today you need to finish up your research. When you come back over to the calendar today, you will see that it says project planning document team leader submits. So for my virtual students, I am asking that all of you submit this, not just team leaders, because so many of you are working independently. I want every single person to submit their document for this. Please make sure that before you submit your document that you have answered all of these things thoroughly, not just one or two words, but you have a lot of information, or it's going to be really hard for you to actually write your paragraphs and do your final project. I also want to make sure that you are not copying things word for word, that you're paraphrasing and putting things in your own words. Otherwise, it will be plagiarism, okay? I also want to make sure that you have filled out your source page, that you've given me the name of the websites that you've used, and you have used MLA format. Remember, you're using the Cite This For Me tool up here to get those citations, okay? So when you are done with that, please upload it on to this assignment. You are not going to submit a screenshot. You are going to submit the actual document, okay? That's important. The next thing that you are going to do if you are virtual, you are going to come to the agenda and you will click to make a copy of your poster. If you are working with a partner, only one of you needs to make that copy and then you need to share it with the other person. If you are working individually, of course, you need to make your own copy. Your document is going to look like this. Again, if you are working independently, you only need to worry about the waist up. So everything from the waist up, you're going to need to complete for your project. If it is from the waist down, you do not have to complete that portion of the project. You are going to be able to use the Zoom tool. You can add text boxes on here. You do not need to worry about the image today. You are only worrying about getting your actual text boxes in there. Remember, you are writing full paragraphs. You are not just writing a couple of words. I need like 5 to 8 sentence paragraphs right there. All right. You are not submitting this today at all, but you do need to make sure that you finish all of your actual text. And tomorrow we will talk about how you are going to do the illustration virtually. If you have any questions, virtual friends, please send me an email and I am here to help you out. Thanks.